Alright guys, we're here at DNA Motor Lab, and I'm going to be doing a review and a 360 walk around of a 2015 Kawasaki ZX6R. Just got the keys. We're going to do this. Oh, there she is. So not getting too much into it right away. It is a Kawasaki ZX6R 2015. They are asking $7,000 for it. It's got just under 16,000 miles on it, so it's still very low miles. All right. And starts right up, no problem. Let it warm up before I start revving it up. And this thing does have wheelie control. I'm not 100% on how to use it. Horn works. Lights work. Make sure to turn the signals work. Left. Left. And we're going right. Right and right. All turn signals work. It does have a Two Brothers race exhaust. It does look like a full exhaust. It doesn't look like it has a cat on it. Like I said, ABS brakes, and there's a lot still to do with it to customize it. Sounds very smooth. Alright, and we're going to take off in a second. Turn the signal on. Wait for these cars to go by. Remember, if I crash this bike, it's on me. Owner of the shop made that very, very clear, so I'm going to be extra careful with this damn thing. But I love the green. That's really cool. These are actually adjustable. You can adjust the shock in the front. I think there's an adjustable shock in the back as well. And we're going. Oh yeah, this thing is smooth. Very smooth. Handles pretty well. Wow, this thing wants to lean. For sure. See if it got any power. Oh yeah, it definitely has power. I'm only in second gear going comfortably 38 miles an hour. Thing's nice. Yeah, we'll go a little bit farther. Brakes work. Oh yeah, this thing is smooth. Go up to this parking garage real quick. Tippy top. Oh yeah. Listen to that engine purr. Oh yeah. All right. So, this bike is badass, plain and simple. They're asking $7,000 for it. My opinion, getting a bike brand new from a dealership like East Bay Motorsports, you're gonna pay 10, 11, 15 for something like this, something this good in condition. I mean, yeah, it's got a couple little scratches on the paint, easy to touch up, but it's a smooth bike. It's in great shape. I mean, the thing is 4 years old, so obviously there's going to be there is going to be a little bit of wear and tear on it, but for the most part, I would say it's worth the $7,000. I mean, it needs a bath, which the first thing you do when you first buy a bike is obviously you give it a bath. But I do like this bike. This bike is pretty awesome. This is pretty cool. So if you guys are interested in this bike, you can go to DNA Motor Lab, or you can hit me up on my Instagram. Let me know if you guys are interested. I'll set up a day that you can come and check it out, and we'll spitball and we'll make it happen. We'll make a deal. So hit me up. Do my email. You can even hit me up on my Instagram, fbomb_it. Any way you want to do it. But yeah, definitely hop on this, because this bike is not going to be here for very long. This is definitely a twisties kind of a bike, for sure. So I'm going to return this thing. I don't want to. I'm going to stay on this bike. I don't want to return it. But yeah, hit me up, guys. Let me know. To return this bike. I actually want to stay on this bike. So do me a favor and don't buy this bike so I can continue to ride this thing. But no, for sure, if you guys are really interested in it, let me know. I'll make it happen. I'll get you a deal. And on behalf of DNA Motor Lab, F-Bomb Bike Life, want to thank you guys for joining me. And I hope to see you on this bike very, very soon. And there are more bikes to come. Alright, guys. Alright, one more power strip before we return this thing. This thing is got some power. Oh, this thing is fun. Alright, guys, for real this time. Peace out.